Give it about half an hour to settle, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. All right, so the filters are oiled and ready to go, and you can see they're pretty much even coated all the way through. There's a couple of spots on this one that are just a little bit light right there on the corners. I might touch them up kind of there, and there, just a little bit. Keep in mind, if you do touch it up, you're going to want to give it a little bit of time to wick and make sure that it dries out. There's no standing oil. There's nothing coming off, on the filters themselves. So they're pretty much good to go. So once your filters are done, just go ahead and insert them back into the intake boxes themselves. Bolt those T25s back down and then put the intakes back in place. On the passenger side here, on this side, I find it easier to, push that collar back hard to help you settle this box in. You don't want to press on the pipe, but just compress the collar right here at the flex point. This pipe actually has a plastic arm that comes down with a 10mm bolt that holds it into place. I've actually broken that off once because I was applying too much pressure to that pipe. The pipe will stay in place while that's broken, but it's a drag and it's something that you want to avoid. Here in the front, what I normally will do once it's ready to go is I will tip this end in first to get it secure in the pipe, and then fit it down around your reservoir, down onto the rubber feet and down into place. Obviously I haven't done that yet because I need to double check my filters, but it really is that simple. So go ahead and reassemble your air boxes. Once the filters are back in, go ahead and settle them back down into place, tighten down your collars, and you're pretty much good to go, with the exception of the strut brace in this case. All right, so one last double check with the intakes in before we put the strut bar back on. Make sure you've plugged your MAF sensor in on both sides, and on this case, this is where a double check is a good idea. I've got my coolant hose in place, but I don't have my vacuum hose on. So you just take that and press it until it clicks. So both MAFs, the vacuum hose, my coolant hose is back down into the clips.